So lately I've been getting big on saving, right? COVID-19 hit. I started paying attention to stocks, the stock market and everything like that. Yeah, I lost money, you know, I made some though. Right now I'm really focused on stable stocks that pay dividends and stocks that actually were stable throughout the whole pandemic. Once those dividends start coming in, I'm gonna just reinvest those dividends back into the stock and buy more. All right, that way my money will mature, it'll grow faster than it would as opposed to just sitting in the savings account. All right, yeah, you know, Bitcoin, cool. I guess it's not actually too late for that, but I actually use that to put a little investment in Bitcoin, make a profit, and then I'll buy some more of those dividend stocks that I was talking about earlier. You know, but just continue to build my portfolio. All right, it's something I really want to be a part of. You dig? I want to sit back and just let my money work for me. Okay, because I'm getting old, you know, and my body getting old, you know, brittle. You feel me? That's the direction I'm going on 2021, man. Let's get it.